You know, it's a shame schools don't teach us how to handle our emotions. Imagine if we learned how to manage stress or cope with sadness alongside math and science. Life might be a lot smoother, right? But it's never too late to learn. Mastering emotional regulation can transform our daily lives and relationships. Here are some simple yet powerful strategies for regulating your emotions. Let's give ourselves the emotional education we never got. Number 1, recognize your emotions. You'd be surprised how many people have no idea what they're actually feeling. Some folks only know they feel good or bad, but struggle to identify and label their emotions more specifically. Did you know we have over 27 distinct emotions? Being able to identify whether you're feeling anxious, excited, frustrated, or hopeful is the first step in regulating those emotions. Start by paying attention to your body's signals and your thoughts. Keep an emotional journal or use an app to track your feelings throughout the day. This awareness is key to understanding and eventually managing your emotional responses. Embrace awareness. Healthy emotional regulation begins with self-awareness. It involves acknowledging and accepting one's emotions without judgment. Now that we've identified and labeled what we're feeling, instead of suppressing and denying feelings or trying to get rid of them, individuals recognize their emotional state and allow themselves to experience it fully. Research suggests that practicing mindfulness and meditation can enhance awareness of emotions, promote acceptance, and reduce emotional reactivity. Take a moment to check in with yourself from time to time. Recognize and accept your emotions without judgment. Awareness is the first step towards healthy emotional regulation. Flip the script. One powerful strategy for regulating emotions is cognitive reappraisal, which involves reframing the way we perceive a situation. By consciously altering our interpretation of events, we can change our emotional response. For example, viewing a setback as an opportunity for growth rather than a failure. This can mitigate feelings of disappointment and frustration. Studies have shown that cognitive reappraisal can lead to decreased levels of stress and anxiety, fostering greater emotional resilience. Reframe negative thoughts. Look at challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Changing your perspective can change your emotional response. Express yourself. Healthy emotional regulation involves finding constructive outlets for expressing emotions, whether through art, writing, or talking to a trusted friend. Expressing feelings can alleviate emotional distress and facilitate processing. Bottling up emotions can have detrimental effects on mental health, whereas expressive writing, in particular, has been linked to improvements in mood and well-being. Find healthy outlets for your emotions, whether it's journaling, talking to a friend, or engaging in creative activities. Expressing yourself can help release pent-up feelings and promote healing. Lean on others. Human connections play a crucial role in emotional regulation. Cultivating supportive relationships provides a buffer against stress and enhances emotional resilience. Sharing experiences with empathetic individuals can offer perspective and validation, helping to regulate emotions more effectively. Studies have shown that strong social support networks are associated with lower rates of depression and anxiety. Don't go it alone. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist. Sharing your feelings with others can provide comfort and perspective. If you don't have anyone around you or don't feel comfortable sharing your emotions with someone, look at those creative outlets that allow you to express yourself. Journaling, dancing, or painting are great ways to express what you're feeling. Some people might find online communities or forums helpful as they provide a sense of anonymity. Nourish your body. Physical well-being and emotional health are intertwined, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits can bolster emotional regulation. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and a balanced diet contribute to overall emotional resilience. Exercise in particular stimulates the release of endorphins, neurotransmitters known as feel-good chemicals, which can improve mood and reduce stress. Likewise, prioritizing sleep and nutrition supports optimal brain function, enabling better emotional regulation. Remember, physical health and emotional well-being go hand in hand. Prioritize exercise, sleep, and nutrition to support your body and mind. Stress less. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but how we respond mentally or emotionally to it determines its impact on our well-being. Feeding negative self-talk or catastrophizing just causes more stress, probably more than the actual stressful event. Effective stress management techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness-based stress reduction can help regulate the body's physiological response to stressors. Try activating your body's relaxation response through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to calm your mind and body in times of stress. Taking care of yourself helps you better handle life's challenges. Seek help when needed. Despite one's best efforts, there may be times when managing emotions feels too overwhelming. In such instances, seeking support from a mental health professional can be invaluable. Therapists can provide personalized strategies and interventions to help individuals navigate complex emotions and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Whether through cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavioral therapy, or other modalities, professional guidance can empower individuals to enhance their emotional regulation skills. There is no shame in asking for help. If you're struggling to manage your emotions, consider reaching out to a professional who can provide guidance and support. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can take control of your emotions and create a more joyful and fulfilling existence. Remember, it's okay to feel, and it's okay to seek help when you need it. You deserve to live a life filled with peace, happiness, and emotional resilience.